Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat varicose veins. Varicose veins are the dark color lumpy or enlarged veins that usually appear on the legs and feet. Varicose veins occur when veins are not functioning properly and lose elasticity. As a result, the deoxygenated blood gets pulled up in the veins, making them twist and appear bulgy and blue. Varicose veins are not harmful, they are unsightly and can cause discomfort and embarrassment to the sufferer. Here are some home remedies to treat varicose veins naturally. Home remedy number 1, Witch hazel. Witch hazel helps to reduce the swelling in the varicose veins. Soak a towel in witch hazel and place it over the affected area. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this remedy 2 or 3 times a day to treat varicose veins naturally. Home remedy number 2, Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is anti-inflammatory in nature that reduces the swelling when applied on the veins. Apply apple cider vinegar over the varicose veins and massage the area in small circular motions. Continue to massage the area until apple cider vinegar is completely absorbed in the skin. Massage with apple cider vinegar twice a day to treat varicose veins. Home remedy number 3, Compression stocking. Compression stockings support the weak vein in your legs and improve circulation by pumping blood back to the heart. Wear compression stockings every day to work. Do remove the stocking before sleeping to allow your veins to relax. Wearing the compression stocking every day would not treat the varicose veins but will help keep the swelling down. Home remedy number 4, Essential oils. Essential oils have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that help reduce the pain and swelling in varicose veins. Create a makeshift double boiler by filling 1/4 of a larger pan with water. Throw in some stones and place a heat-resistant glass bowl in the pan. Put 2 tablespoons of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut butter in the bowl. Heat it on medium-low heat until the butter and oil melt completely. Once the ingredients have melted, remove the bowl from the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 1/4 tablespoon of vitamin E oil and 7 to 8 drops of rosemary essential oil to the melted oil and butter mix. Mix all the ingredients well and transfer the prepared body butter to a container. Refrigerate the oil for 1 to 2 hours till it solidifies. Apply it on the affected areas and massage in small circular motions. Massaging with the oil mix twice a day will help to get rid of varicose veins. Home remedy number 5, Garlic oil. Garlic oil helps increase the blood circulation and reduce the symptoms of varicose veins. Take 6 peeled garlic cloves and chop them into smaller pieces. Put the chopped garlic cloves in a glass jar. Pour in fresh orange juice of 3 oranges and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Close the lid of the jar and let the mixture soak for 12 hours to infuse the orange juice with the garlic. Shake the jar before using the oil. Soak a cotton ball in the mixture and apply it on the affected area. Massage the area for 1 to 2 minutes. Use this mix every night before going to bed to treat varicose veins. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.